Hi, I'm Charles Dwan, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create macros once again, but this time, we are going to be creating macros that will orient pieces. So in the previous macro video, I taught you how to create algorithms, macros, that will cycle per mute. In this video, we're going to be learning how to orient them, like twisting. Alright? So, there are two types of orienting algorithms. Flipping, we're going to flip two three-color pieces, but also twisting. You twist a single three-color piece. Yes, you can do that on a four-dimensional Rubik's Cube. And so, let's get right into it. Let's start with the flipping algorithm. So first, let's do a flipping algorithm that you would do on normal Rubik's Cube. Alright? So, we're going to be doing, and make sure you follow along. We're going to be doing M, D prime, M prime, D, then M, D2, M prime. So, what that did was that it only affected this set of three pieces of this entire face. Of this entire... Oh, sorry about that. Of this entire face here. Entire face. That algorithm, that set of moves that we just did, only affected this set of three. Therefore, if we just twist it once here, that means if we undid that algorithm after we twist it, what it's going to do is that it's going to flip this one. Because the reverse of a flip is just another flip. So let's do that. Let's undo it. So, M, 2, M prime, then D, M, D, then M prime. Also, make sure you follow along with the moves I'm doing, as I might not say the algorithms correctly. Not really a cuber here. But anyway, look at that. If you were to do this on an original Rubik's Cube, it would just flip two edges. But here, four-dimensional Rubik's Cube. So flips two sets of three pieces. Four-dimensional Rubik's Cube is 3 layers worth of Rubik's Cube. Alright? So now, you probably don't want to undo all of those moves. Probably give you a headache. What do? We record this as a macro so that we can undo it later. So, go all the way to the beginning. Control Alt reference piece. Enter macro. And then Control Y, redo them all. After you're done redoing them all, Control M to show that that's all your macro has. And then let's just say flip. Now, you probably didn't see that small window that's supposed to pop up on my monitor. That's because my screen recording software only picks up what is in and only what is in this window. Because that small window is also a separate window in which the program did not pick up. But you should see a small window. Anyway, macros here. And so, now that we've done our macro, we need to twist this interface clockwise. What that will do is that they'll put these two sets of two pieces back to their original orientation while flipping only 3 color pieces. Let's undo our algorithm. So first, Alt right click and then we just undo our twist. So what did that do? It flipped this single 3-color piece and also flipped this single 3-color piece here. Flip 2 3-color pieces. Now we want to record all of that as one macro. How do you do that? Go all the way to the beginning. Control Alt reference piece. Control Y to redo it all. Control M. That's all we have. Now I'm going to name it 3C underscore flip. So I can declare that it is the flip for 3-colored. Alright. Now that we have done that, let's explore how to create an algorithm that will twist a single 3-colored piece. Now, you'll probably be familiar with this if you are a cuber. So let's do our corner twisting algorithm that we all know on our roots. R prime, D prime, or D. Okay, so as you can see, it twisted these two sets, 3 pieces. Now, we're going to record all that as a macro so that we can undo it. Alright, go all the way to the beginning. Control Alt reference piece. Control Y forward. Control M, that's all we have. I'll just name it corner. There, corner. Now, where do we do the magic? Make it so that only one single 3-color piece is twisted. So, we twist it 180 degrees like this, 4-dimensionally. Then we put it back. Alright? Then, Alt right click to undo it. And then we just realign it. Wow! We just twisted a single 3-color piece. Yeah, we just did. That is possible. And so, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. Make sure to save your macros in a file, give them a name, press save. And so, any questions, if I have not explained anything clearly enough, or if I'm talking too much, or if you need a better explanation, please ask in the comments. And then make sure to subscribe. Coming up next is the 3-color pieces. Thank you.